What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Playboy, and we are back with another video. In today's video, we will be going ahead and doing planting some seeds. Not that many. I am going to start my Hell's Best cantaloupe again from Baker's Creek, and some more honeydew orange flesh watermelon from Baker's Creek. The ones that we got out there when that frost came, it was okay because I had them covered up, but as soon as I took the cover off of them, they died. Well, some of them died, but I just want to go ahead and have these on standby. I am going to attempt to try these coleus. These rainbow mixes, these came from roses. So we're going to see if we can get these to germinate, as well as these again, these rainbow coleus seeds. These have not germinated yet. So that's what we're finna go ahead and do. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. All right, y'all. I hope y'all can see what's going on. So we are trying today. We trying the back part of the camera today, the back end of the camera. So hopefully everything is working today, and I got it plated different as well. So you don't see, like, it's not vertical, it's landscape mode. Maybe that'll make a difference for the videos as well. But we just experimenting. Okay, let's go ahead and get our soil into the trays. Y'all, I ain't even made no labels. The time right now is 7:50. If I'm not mistaken, the sun goes down at 8 o'clock. So we trying to go ahead and get this video in. We had a lot of stuff we doing now, so we trying to make time to do everything, but still got time to make a post. So if I'm doing all the stuff I'm doing and still can make a post, y'all can make y'all post as well. All right, so you should be able to see our little seeding trays here. And again, we're using the ones from Bootstrap Farmer. All right. And I don't need all this soil going in here. I got this soil too wet. It's all right, because inside this greenhouse during the daytime, it'd be like 90 degrees, 90 plus. And now it's finna get ready to be hot. So you already know it's finna be hot out here. And all the plants that was in here, we still got a little of them, but the majority is gone outside. All right, 3 sprays. Oh no, this is way too much water in this pan. Them seeds ain't gonna never germinate like that. Sitting in some soggy water. Can y'all see that water that's down in there? Oh my God. Absolutely not. All right, let's go ahead and pour some of this water out of here. You can have some, but you don't need all that water in there. All right. Let's put our soil back onto our table. You see, we trying to move fast, y'all, due to the sunlight. Oh, I don't have my stuff out here ready for me. Let's see. All right, y'all. So y'all should be able to see the seed tray perfectly. That's good. And now for this, y'all know me, I'm going to take my gloves off. All right, so we're not going to do a full tray, but I'd rather have them than not to have them at all. If I didn't show this one, this is what I'm doing again as well. Honeydew melon, orange flesh cantaloupe, and some Hale's Best 45 cantaloupe. And just for reference, back to the video, these right here, back here in the back, this is 3-3. So I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do two sales. So 2 of the Hale's Best. You know what? No, we're going to do Hale's Best 45. Today is March the 22nd. And that's going to be this row here. And then we come back over here. This is going to be the orange flesh. And these are both cantaloupes. This one is going to be just coleus. We're going to do this whole tray of coleus. And then back here is rainbow coleus. All right. So we got our orders, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and make us some little holes. And when I tell y'all, I know y'all what y'all probably saying. Oh, well, it was too early for you to make them cantaloupe anyway. No. If y'all seen how everything was laid out, how the sun, it wasn't hot outside, or it was hot outside the last few days, we was doing good. And then that cold front came through with the frost. Okay, so this is the Hale's Best. We're just gonna put 1 per pocket. All right. We're gonna go ahead and get the same thing with the flesh, orange flesh. 1. That's 2. That's 3. All right, we cover them up, and they gonna be ready. And since the temperatures are already like today, our temperatures are like 82 to 85. So we want to, oh, no. Coleus. All right, the coleus is supposed to be surface sown and pressed. Since we ain't had no luck with these at all. Look how little they are. And this would be good if I can get this rainbow lettuce to work. Rainbow lettuce. Rainbow coleus the word. Somebody gonna grow. All right, and press them in, and then we'll go back and give them just a quick spray. All right, that's our coleus, rainbow coleus. Y'all come on up now. And see, these say 1/8 of an inch. The other pack. Ooh, look at this. Oh my God, y'all, look at this. What can we do with that? So 1/8 of an inch is just a little notch, if that. But we gonna throw them in here, y'all, cause we want some coleus. I had to go ahead and sacrifice putting stuff in other containers because these was not ready. And I still got room for some when they come in. I didn't get none in that back pocket back there. Oh, is that it? All right. We just throw them in there again. Just cover them up. I'm not even gonna water them. All right. So that's it. We got these seeds planted in the right in the nick of time. So hopefully when we do another update, hopefully in 2 weeks, these seeds will be ready. And this is what we did again. This is from Amazon. I ordered this. These is, if y'all see these, if these don't come up, I already gave them a bad recommendation already. But all right, y'all. So this is the end of the video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment in the section. And also like the video. And until then, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.